Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to forensic science and criminology review. In this video, we'll explore forensic science, review questions, set 1A, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, and boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Test your expertise in forensic science. Strengthen your understanding of criminal investigations. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and turn on notifications bell for more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, forensic techniques, and in-depth legal insights. Let's learn, review, and excel together. This version enhances engagement, encourages interaction, and makes the message more dynamic for your audience. Let me know if you'd like any further tweaks. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Blank is the professional and academic discipline which concerns itself with legal aspects of medical sciences, medical practice, and other healthcare delivery problems. A medico-legal practitioner. B. Forensic medicine. C. General medicine. D. Legal medicine. Which of the terms below is defined as the application of scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge to assist courts in resolving questions of fact in civil and criminal trials? A. Forensic medicine. B. Medical jurisprudence. C. Forensic pathology. D. Forensic science. Which branch of medicine deals with the application of medical knowledge to the purposes of law? A. Forensic medicine. B. Medical jurisprudence. C. Forensic pathology. D. Forensic science. Who popularized scientific crime detection methods? A. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. B. Sir Arthur Conan Boyle. C. Francis Galton. D. Calvin Goddard. Who devised a simple procedure for determining the blood type of a dried blood stain? A. Henry Paulitz. B. Eric Spoon. C. Leonie Latz. D. Hans Gross. Which is the subspecialty of pathology that focuses on the medico-legal investigation of sudden or unexpected death? A. Legal medicine. B. Forensic medicine. C. Medical jurisprudence. D. Forensic pathology. Who serves as expert witness in the court of law, testifying in a variety of civil and criminal cases involving death or injury? A. Medical doctor. B. Forensic pathologist. C. Police officer. D. Forensic science. Which process pertains to put together past events and uses physical evidence on its analysis? A. Criminalistics. B. Reconstruction. C. Forensic science. D. Pathology. Which refers to a medical doctor who serves as researched and clinical practitioners in the areas in which psychiatry is applied to legal issues? A. Forensic medicine. B. Forensic psychology. C. Forensic nursing. D. Forensic psychiatry. Which of the terms below is defined as the application of scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge to assist courts in resolving questions of fact in civil and criminal trials? A. Forensic medicine. B. Medical jurisprudence. C. Forensic pathology. D. Forensic science. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.